Did you know that cats are actually aliens? Here are 10 interesting, shocking facts about them. Number 10, they have 9 lives. Okay, maybe not literally 9 lives, but they do have a pretty impressive ability to land on their feet. Even if you drop them from a very high place, they will survive. Number 9, they can see in the dark. Their eyes are so sensitive that they can see much better in low light conditions than we humans can. Number 8, they can hear a wider range of sounds than humans. This is why they're always meowing at all the wrong times. Number 7, they have 32 muscles in each ear. These muscles help them to pinpoint the exact location of sounds. Number 6, they have claws on their paws. These claws are used for climbing, hunting, and scratching. Number 5, they can jump up to 6 times their height. Number 4, they have a special organ in their nose called the vomeronasal organ. This organ allows them to detect pheromones and other chemicals in their environment. Number 3, they purr when they're happy. And believe it or not, science has shown that this purr has a healing effect on humans. Number 2, they help us hunt. Cats were domesticated thousands of years ago by farmers who needed help controlling rodents. Number 1, they're just really freaking cool.